Hi there. So today we're on the boat and this is very exciting. I'm putting a new mattress in the extra stateroom bed. As you can see, it's a bit of a tight squeeze, but here's our new bed. We got the same one for our master stateroom in the 8-inch version. We really like it. And so now we're going to put the 6-inch version in the guest stateroom. So hopefully our guests are very happy on it. So it's a, don't know how to say this, but Zinus, I don't know, Zinus.com. It's queen size, which I think will fit perfectly in here. Our master stateroom, we had to trim. I'll show you that in a minute. 6-inch gel memory foam. It says it's infused with green tea for cooling. I don't know if I believe that or not, but it's what it says. It tells me not to cut. It tells me to use a buddy to lift, which I didn't do. It tells me to recycle, which I will do. And it tells me I should open that within 72 hours. I have definitely screwed that up. It's been more like, 40 days. So hopefully it's still fine, and we'll find out. So let's get into this thing. Okay, let's open this thing up. I'm gonna try not to get on the camera too much because I am red in the face and sweating. It's not even that hot. It's just stuffy in here. And then I steam cleaned a few things. All right, certificate of conformity. Hand this to the responsible one. Well, I'm the only one here, so we'll have to make do. All right, lay the box on its side. Check. Carefully tear away the first packing material, either thin bag or plastic film. Do not use a knife. Then roll it out. Then carefully cut open the clear plastic bag along the edges. And then let it poof up, I guess. All right, that sounds pretty simple. Let's get to it. First I have to get this thing out of the box. And then if you weren't paying attention, it says stop. Please read me. So we have our first layer that's holding it all together. It says don't use a knife, but I'm gonna get it started with some scissors here. Oh, there we go. All right, I think it's free enough to roll out now. I doubt they thought people would be doing this on a boat. Ta-da! Oh, wait. Not quite done. Yep. I think that this curves in just ever so slightly. Yep. So I am gonna have to trim that. But almost fits. Might trim the bottom just a little bit too. But we'll let it get completely fluffed up before I do that. That does take a little bit of effort. And it takes a big pair of scissors, which I did not bring today. So we'll call that a future project. I'll add it to the list. There are quite a few things on the list. All right, so I'm not sitting on it yet. I did just sit on it for a minute, but we're letting it fluff up before anything goes on it. It's got a cover on it with a zipper. We found out the hard way. The zipper's kind of locked off. You really have to get in there and take the little locking mechanism off. You have to cut the fabric. Took a little bit of doing to get in there. But once it fluffs up, I will cut it to size and should be ready to go. Should be great for our guests. So here is the master stateroom, and we have the same style of bed, but in an 8-inch instead of a 6-inch. We have slept on it a handful of times. We've been very happy. It feels pretty good. I mean, we have a nice bed at home. It's maybe not quite as comfortable as that one, but no complaints. So we also got a queen size. This platform is not quite queen sized. I didn't have to trim it up here at the top, like across, like we're just below the pillows, but I had to cut the corners off the top, and then basically from this point down had to trim, and then I had to trim off the bottom as well. So it's bigger than a full size or double size, but not quite a queen. And it has the same type of cover. It's loosey-goosey because we trimmed some of the foam out of it. And you can see this one, the zipper, we cut it and then we took the pliers and took the little locking mechanism off of it so that we could unzip it. So it was a little bit of work with a big pair of scissors, but wasn't that bad to cut. Didn't leave too much debris. And the bed has overall been very comfortable to sleep on. I don't know about the green tea thing and the cooling. It just feels like a memory foam bed to me. But maybe side by side there would be some difference. My husband thinks it's comfortable. I hope our guests think the new one is comfortable. All right, these are available on Amazon. So click the links below if you want to check them out. There are multiple sizes. There are RV queen size beds that are a little bit shorter, which is maybe what I should have gotten for our stateroom. And then there are different thicknesses, so for whatever suits your situation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.